Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system. Once your system restarts, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, first you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and after that check whether the game's controller is working or not. If it doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, simply select as default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices. From here you have to remove the controller first. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. Once you have done this, restart your system. Once your system restarts again, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here. After that, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings, click on Windows update, click on check for updates. Now wait. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and after that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. Now after updating the game, try to launch the game again and then check if it's working. So you will be able to see the update option available over here. If yes, update your game and then check if controller is working or not. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google or you can just go through the link I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the download option. So this will download DS4 Windows tool on your system. After that, you have to install it on your PC. After that, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Forza Horizon 6 game and then check for the error if it's resolved. If not, next method is to use big picture mode. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section and after that, here in the above side you can see big picture mode, simply click on it. Now after you enter big picture mode, here you have to select the game and after you select the game, try to play it. After you try to play it, you have to click on the Steam option. After that, click on power and then select exit big picture mode. After that, launch the game and check whether Forza Horizon 6 gamepad or controller is working or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix Forza Horizon 6 gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.